Now you must be wondering, like, that is a lot of code we have to write just to show one single text on the screen. Well, yeah, but we are doing everything with the scratch, so we can use libraries to do things quickly maybe. So, well, let's first get rid of this stupid parsing code. And how we are going to do that? Through Gson. So we have this Json library from Google, and this is this one. Come on. Let me put this here. So we have this Google code Gson. Now what does this Gson thing do? Now Gson provides a simple to Gson and from Gson methods to convert Java objects to JSON, or vice versa. And this is pretty simple and straightforward to use. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write Gson dot from JSON. We have our full JSON here, and what we need back is the movies object. Return this. That's it. Let's comment it out as well. So all this JSON parsing and everything will be done by Gson because we have provided proper POJOs in here. That how this Gson will look like. So the Gson know how these POJOs will look like. So the Gson know that this is a list of movies in which we will have a string and year and so on. And so this is one step. The other step is you don't want to make your calls yourself. Oh, I have run it or I didn't. I don't know. Let me run it. Let's see Gson in action. Any second now. Hello world, Avengers. Okay, so now our Gson is working. Excellent. Let's clean up. Control Shift Alt L, all at the same time to clean up. Now we don't want to write this type of code because this will be buggy eventually. We are going to use something called retrofit. Now retrofit is an API for HTTP client. It is type safe and it's for Java and Android, and it's cool. So how this works, you have to create an interface, and these interfaces are your API endpoints, and you have to create a retrofit builder. These two things that you need. There is a dependency here. Let me put it. So we have the latest version 2.9, and yeah, so retrofit is there. Now let's do some retrofit stuff.